this video, we're going to talk about a couple of things that you can do to increase your search traffic or your SEO traffic in 30 days. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you can get notified because you want to learn more about business and marketing. Number one, GSC. What does GSC mean? GSC is Google Search Console. It's Google's free SEO tool. All you have to do is go into Google Search Console, install it, look at the top pages that you have in Google, and then upgrade the pieces of content. You look at them, you add content to it, and what you can also do is you can improve the title and a meta description so you can get more traffic coming to those pages. But the first step is to actually get Google Search Console, so you're actually going to be able to use the data to your advantage. Because if you don't have it, well, you can't really even do this, right? So number two, use Keyword Tool or Ubersuggest. These tools are going to give you an idea of what keywords you can try to use. So Ubersuggest, which is my podcast co-host Neil's tool, it will basically show you, hey, here's how much volume the keyword drives, here's how much you would pay on Google for that keyword, and you'll get ideas if you should even pursue a keyword or not, or maybe throw those keywords into the pages that you have already on your site that are already getting search traffic. Number three is add long tail keywords. So if you use Keyword Tool or if you use Ubersuggest, you're going to be able to add those long tail keywords. But if you also come back to Google Search Console as well, you're also going to be getting keyword ideas, because in Google Search Console, you can see the queries that a page is actually ranking for. So you're going to have two, maybe even three data sources right here to pull information from, so you're not just pulling from your gut feeling. The gut feeling is going to help you create, but you're going to use the data to make your creations even better. All right. Number four. So this has actually worked really well for us and for basically everybody. It's worked so well, in fact, that companies like HubSpot, even Neil's company, Neil Patel Digital, they are hiring people specifically just to refresh content, just to update content. If you think about all the stuff that you do, all the content that you create, if you only create a 2,000 word post or so and it's starting to do well, and if you don't go back and you upgrade it, well, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, because we've been doing that a lot, especially for the last year and a half or so, and our traffic has been compounding by about 20% month over month. So if you think about that over the course of a year, over even 2 years, even if you're growing at 15, 20%, even 10% or so month over month, you're gonna start to get a lot of traffic, you're gonna start to get a lot of volume, right? But when you get your team all aligned behind this, upgrades, long tail keywords, keyword research, Google Search Console, looking at the top pages, continue to optimize those, and you're kind of combining these different tactics, you're going to be able to do a lot of things that your competitors are not doing. So last but not least, you see I drew a flower over there on the right side. This is the content sprouting technique. If you think about when you create a blog post, this is like your seed. And then let's say your blog is 2,000 words or so. Maybe you have 5 key points in there. Those 5 key points can become 5 different videos. These are your sprouts. Then what you do is you take it one step further, and these videos can all become audio too, right? And then so this is continuing to sprout. And then what you do afterwards is you pollinate them. And then what you do is, well, you harvest. Think about monetization. How can you monetize it? Can you rent the page? Can you do an affiliate program? Is it gonna help you drive leads? You gotta figure out what your goal is. Let's start from the top again. Content sprouting technique over here. So you start with a blog first. It can be an audio file, it can be a video file. Ideally, you start with video first, because video can then become audio, and then you basically have like 60 or 70% of a blog post, all right? So you seed, and then you sprout, video, audio, and then you pollinate it, which means you're promoting it, and then you harvest it. That's it for this video. Let us know what you plan to do in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.